Okay, what we got here is a steering damper OEM from a TL1000s. I did some revisions yesterday with the front fork oil 15W. It's still too much resistance. So today I'll change it with 5W. I'll just be using a torque 20. Okay, that's empty. Yep, ready. Here we go. Goes much easier than yesterday. The oil's really thin. The oil gets sucked in now. Air bubbles coming out. Come on. Just push them out. Yeah, here we go. Just leave like a half an inch, 1 centimeter left here, as well as on the other end. You just push it, flop, and I release. We'll get right back. So I just hold it in this position. Just wait for the oil to get sucked in. So it's static. I get the oil out. Just like a little puddle of oil there. And replace the seal. We'll have a look how it feels. Well, the steering damper is now in place. I must say I still have a steering damper. It's much lighter, and the whole bottle of oil cost me like €8, and it's 95% full. So I could do this trick for at least several more times. Hey, fuck yeah, €8.